How to disable or hide pages on Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to hide or disable a page so it is not going to show through the navigation bar or the menu and also the search engines. So we are going to head over to squarespace.com, sign in for an account, and then we are going to visit up the account dashboard. Once we have did that, we are going to head over the website, click on go to website, as you can see. And what we're going to do next is going to be very simple. We are going to head over the website, click on pages, and we're going to choose one of the pages. So the page is going to be represented with the paper, as you can see, with um, the little paper, as you can see here, cropped. So we are going to head over the parameter or the setting of the page, click on it, and you're going to see the general setting. How to disable that page is going to be here. So you're going to find enable page. Normally it is going to be enabled, but if you are going to deactivate it, it is going to be disabled. You're going to have also the option to put a password for that page if it is going to be something that you're going to not hide, but basically mean that page is going to be for specific type of people. So if you're going to disable that page, that means that this page can't be accessed by your site visitors, and it is going to be, let's say here, set up as disabled. Now, how we can manage that page to be hidden completely from here? Let's see which page have we enabled or disabled. This is the contact page. I'm going to save the disablement. It is disabled, as you can see. It is a little bit transparent. Now, how we can make it out from here? So we are going to head over the not linked. So we are going to hide it completely from here. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.